You see, the youth, they be a say politicians, we need to be careful. Who bet me Jimmy for every day, but you can't fool the people all the time. Says Bob Marley. They be a can say Ghana there, oh yeah, pass oh boy. Dano, Duncan Williams. And then I say, Samuel, if you're young 1979, Ghanaians were butchering each other. 1981, let the blood flow. One the kind, ain't gonna for the kind. Young Kunipa, ain't gonna for the kind. Don't take the people for granted. Nyami and ya bro. Oriya no somebody a riaka ho. A yo bro ni di electricity. A riya we e wo bro ni kroma kon top petrol da. Ye jimi enti ye top petrol. Ye for Ghana ye si entutu Kenya ho. Look at the price of local commodities. Tomatoes, ahini ton. Look at bread, brodo, and then mitsuma be bankoto bolba. 15 cedis. 15 cedis me kwa meti ye di nyina. Etu wa mami ensa na no pamu ye breakfast. We hear about 200 Ghana. And then yema wuto and run. Can you buy the same thing today? No. So the value ni kwa scanning the amount. I swear shine by 400%. You will come one. The only business the finance ministers know how to do is to go and borrow and chop the money. Go and borrow. Ababa na cedi no our 4 cedis. No are running down to 16 cedis. No be swaba. No now where ejuma. Where akola kwa beti ya running the economy way. I expose GHFM Bamboo social now from baby Majoso. On subscribe so subscribe na share mobi. Me say and na mi ensani ade bi a rock Africa. Bibi a rock Africa. Because a rock here ade bi asia a waking up what the sentiments of the African youth. Obeka se na braben e dey na wokai. Me ka wasem. The African youth is what awakened. Yanyina nim niyama esi wo Kenya. Sabe IMF near Ghana kwashasi nti because of IMF nti. President say what the tax etuburu so any tomatoes. Na nsemi na Kenya for Ghana me say na nia ka Ghana dey say akone da. Wo mo say o mo ntos miensa 15 cedis. Or me convert here 15. Now me say ha no back we 5 cedis. Enti ani mu nyina anya pe. You see, the youth, they be a say politicians, we need to be careful. Who bet me Jimmy for every day, but you can't fool the people all the time. Says Bob Marley. Who bet me Jimmy or I know, but you can't fool them all the time. I didn't make us some protester course Kenya. And it's a ebufu abana. And easy. Na mpese wonko tie ni amambunu ni bi eka. Say one mo say adenti one mo so mo a peaceful but kwasi asem na doso. Enti omo demonstrate we a queue. Ghana. Ya hwe hu ye go video ni ba ya be react to it.
The reason we are saying no to corruption is because we are not a poor country and Africa is not a poor continent. We are a very rich continent, but our main enemy is corruption. So if our leaders, you would listen to us. You see, I don't have a gun. So if someone would shoot me, they would be doing a disservice. And the same thing is happening in Nairobi, that young people are shot without having any weapon. And our request is one, our leaders, please listen to us. Please don't want to have our parents curse at you because you have killed us. Just
So ko ya ba asem when na yemu bi de bia ye kan o hwe uka one of the most peaceful nations on the continent Kenya anya number 1 ebe number 2 de bia ye kan ye say Ghana de oh ye mpass o boa Duncan Williams and then of course say some afia yen 1979 Ghanaians were butchering each other 1981 let the blood flow one the kind Engana for the kind yen kunipa Engana for the kind it don't take the people for granted na ade we make us eba ne say na be do say papa Nico say Africa is rich and pa ye che ewiase mu a continent was 70% of the world natural resources Africa. Number 2, oba yes labor force are cheap between the year adwuma pa Africa. Nyame ani abro owie no sama awia ka ho awia obroni di electricity awia we ewo broni kroma kon top petrol da ye gimienti ye top petrol ya running your economy to the stage wow we have to go and borrow from IMF. Now IMF eya no mo ye mesre na say me ti asemi no more case you see the crowd they need to what running down more and I'm say hey Africa for your GB papa dollar ono de ne running you wo mama we are primary products say we need to export no ye ma you see the name from more and nothing na GHANANII business person be to me nya adwuma no because o plan ya de no na 70 cities o chan be ko na 90 cities then na metie your first port for almost you say ade ne de ye ba ye convert it ye ba local currency mu what you in cities why are you converting it you say you was here be to nya flat rate say bia for this year no ka bia baba bia say that here. Don't we know it will rather help chrono for people to plan ahead? And then heka bo. So we are branching and then akwa toka die. Picanto, meaning say so picanto. And no pay Ghana budget die be 50,000, 500 million. That is how far meanwhile last year, the beginning of the year, that same car you can buy it for 18,000. What has changed? Now when na we ya ko bi baby ya sabe na edi ebufuwa ba. Yemfa Ghana ni esi entutu Kenya ho. Look at the price of local commodities, tomatoes, ahini etono. Look at bread, brodo, and then misuma me bankoto brodo 15 cedis. 15 cedis me kwa metimi adi ni nyina. Etu wa mamiensa na no pa mu ye breakfast we hear about 200 Ghana cedis. Because you are my milk ya Milo ya this is a country we are in. Oba ye fuel and then 1 gallon 1 liter 15 cedis. Meanwhile, just that down the line 3 years ago 1 liter was how much? 4-5 cedis. And then answer. So the Ghanaian or the African politician is not adding value to me and you. Because you can't be adding value. It means say me buy and me dey one. Me dey put to abawa brabom. Wa wutie me bisa ho ene say put to abawa brabom ana. And then nyama wo to enra no. Can you buy the same thing today? No. So the value ni kwa scan the man no I swear shine by 400%. The only business the finance ministers know how to do is to go and borrow and chop the money. Go and borrow. Obeba na city no 4 cities. No are running down to 16 cities. No be swaba. No na we adwuma. We akola betimi arane say economy we. Yeah, economy a basic economy. Eti akola betimi arane. Enye nsamfu na ekoso a ankanye Ghana ye di branie me Ghana ni nti me ka ya se Ghana na ye jaye no ye jama ye nchirima no Ghana ben Ghana krono Ghana said the corruption all over. Please, let's be careful. Yes, what Kenya no, it's a wake up call for politicians. My catcher must say, yedi Ghana for there. There's a media friend say a day of reckoning. It means say they are as a ubu in konta nipa. And it be nesi o Kenya no. Men ya who say Ghana for one more there. Ya be man ya no boa. Every time ya okom the money pay Jimmy. Obroni on koyen kwase because okom ne no. You to know and you say yeah bomb to the violence is not the way to go. But we might come dini pana or be rise against you. Or maybe I say na see ya bomb the one smile. Politician now kwat now no. Oh petum ya hwesen ya wo ye. All manner of things na be kwa sorry e be call just to what? Get votes. Now vote now union, what are you going to do with it? Ghanaian politicians and Africa there, I say give me the power to lord over you, not to what manage you or to improve your life. There be President Bio you tighten your belts, but no they aren't tighten the belt. Yeah, tighten belts anchor. This government, look at the size of the government, and you're justifying it. A Greek minister who told hotels, tomatoes back of 5 cities. Young Wakufo when say the backbone or the bedrock of Ghana's economy, a Greek. And then one for beer or you serious with what? A Greek. And then is this economy running? It's not. The economy is not running because since Brian Champon buying your innovation beyond the other into what? A Greek. Only be near organized to what? Open businesses. Your minister of agriculture who just open businesses, you be practical on the ground, making sure say the price of food and services will come down. That is your duty. Now, once we are duty, you are failed. Other sectors, they are all collapsing. Health and none TBB. As a Ghanaian doctors, more crime I say can have that for class. Hey, now there's some clothes, some pana. After the government in Israel, say time will come, we will have doctors. When the system is not made favorable for Nyamabia, that is what happens. Namodi ayeka no. Mo fo se kasadodo. Mo fo se kasadodo. Hwe Nyamabi si wa Ghana, your security services. The way Francophonie kogum no bogus and stupid, I'm telling you. Security service for a long time. Yenye adverts. But unim, the security of a nation should never be toyed with or what? Politicized. Eye juma sebe eye honorable job. Enti se nipa no ese onya opepa. Na de yetimi twa quota ema ministers ahefo. What sort of way is this? So beside my protocol my foot. Protocol for what? Are we not all Ghanaians? Protocol for what? Security na di dia go sado. Ye nim ya wabeto ye ntia. Say ye de nkofo crooks and na security nim. And the security na wo hono apparatus ni na ye political. Where were NDC, where were MPP? Na wo force on my wo hihye ni say ya. Ebekọ yie. Enko yie. Since for a long time me who say ya publicizing the security way recruitment that for a long time. 8 years in here, what is happening? What is wrong? I didn't think I am publicizing him. I didn't pass shame. You are the quiet. And you are putting away chima. What are we going to use it for? We are Ghanaians. Many are Ghanaian. So once you are Ghanaian, dia, and you are personal tire. Obeka. One can be back and can be back with Chiba. Yes, you are Kenyan. A bit yes, you are Ghana. Yabapa Vanderpoy, former minister, was no home. Na some see here. Was a fear. I see you to not feel you have been police for the journey. You don't know the power of what the population or the youth. A do baby not police for journey. Soldiers by almost to me. Ni yama sheno na all bay. I saw a friend meeting of both MPP and NDC. No catch up the mass and yami ko hu ye no. Ya hwe ye ko fa bru ye o. bonye wakane tra CNN kwa peke ese Ghanaian we minister sawa bibi sawa Ghana o Ghana wo sawa Ghana eye amamu boni ni hihye boni amu African leaders mumu ye yanka se kunyo ku de anye. But check this out. Niger, Burkina Faso, Mali. Uni say na ye kasai. Omo results ni they've taken it what back. Uni say na ye kasai. Within 2-3 years, Burkina Faso and Mali are made the fastest growing what economy in what Africa. Makase democracy na ye practicing no enye good in my end. Yes, some na ye what is suited, what is best to us. Sa one man power rule no emwa our presidency has the overall say no emwa me ne wo constitution na wo hon emwa me ne wo the earlier mu behu na mbesisa no the better enya sa na esi wo Kenya no e small to what will happen to Ghana if we don't change. I expose the HFM Bambus ushia me a na afra me amejo so we me ye Ghana ni o so ye Ghana ni ana manuasi bye bye.